life. I know it's been forever. I haven't been in any of my social medias as far as videos, right? Haven't been here on Twitch. I haven't been here on YouTube, and I just don't have any excuses for you. If you have ever watched any of my videos, you probably already know that I'm in nursing school, and schooling has been brutal. It's a lot to study, yada, yada, yada. Most of you already know how it goes. And I do apologize, especially to the people that joined the channel and do pay a subscription. I try to make some members only videos, and I do apologize that I haven't been good about it because the schooling is killing me. But I really wanted to sit here and talk to you guys today. This is going to be a completely unedited video. So it's going to be messy, it's going to be crazy. And I was trying to avoid it because I really like editing my videos. I really like putting some music on it. I really like to have something that's very entertaining and engaging for you guys. But I just haven't had the time. And I miss you guys so much. Yesterday I even posted a little short because I was like missing so much like us. I was missing us. I was missing you guys. So I posted the little shorts. You guys replied to it and I was like, "Oh my god, I need to find an excuse to sit in front of this camera and talk to you." But I knew that if I sat here, I wasn't going to edit the video and I was going to be like, I don't have the time." So I am just posting this video completely unedited, no music, and it's been so long that I don't even know how to put my microphone software on my computer anymore. So right now, I apologize if my audio is bad because I have no idea what's going on as I am filming this, how the audio is. I'm only going to know when I finish, right before I upload for you guys, and hopefully you guys can hear me and I'm not just talking to myself in front of this camera. But yes, I have a lot of videos already pre-made and just pre-filmed, but I can't edit them. I don't have the time. I wanted to make Jay Aubrey, the right opinion kind of style video about deaf noodles, but that's gonna take time. I do have some communication with some of you guys that want me to do a Hello Leash video, but as you all know, the ones that have contacted me about it, you know that Hello Leash videos are 30 minutes plus, and I don't have the time, unfortunately, right now. And again, I apologize. The uploading is going to be weird and scarce. I am so sorry, especially to my members. If I didn't say that, I'm sorry because when I started filming this, I was talking to myself and I forgot to press the button to go live. So now I am sure that I'm live, so I'm letting you guys know what's going on. But yes, I missed you so much. And I decided, you know what? I'm just going to post this unedited video and talk about Shiba Inu. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate. Just be warned that until I get on vacation from school, I will be posting very sparsely. And sometimes I'll make some lives if you guys want me to. I haven't really had the time to see on Twitter if you guys want me to do lives and just interact with you, or if you guys just rather me like posting edited videos. I do have also many ideas of posting 911 reactions because doing healthcare and doing emergency care with my military job as an evacuation technician and going to nursing school, I've been obsessed and listening to so many 911 calls that I feel like, I don't know, sometimes I'm sitting there listening and I'm like, why is this happening? Why is this person saying this, or why is this operator saying that? And so many little things that I can just kind of tell you guys helpful tips to avoid certain emergencies. And let me know down in the comments if that's something that you want me to do. If you want me to react to some 911 calls that I've seen that there are some minor mistakes, I'm going to say this is an entertainment video and this is going to be for education purposes, but by no means I'm telling you to just ignore the 911 operators. Obviously, they have a lot of training but there are some little tips that I can give you guys in the case of an emergency that might probably enhance the chance of survival of you or whoever you're helping. So let me know if that's something that you're interested in knowing something about, I don't know, CPR and things like that. Because I've noticed on these 911 calls, things that I think I can help you guys with if you are interested in. Now, this video is not about that. I just really wanted to come here and say hello to you. I have a huge sty on my eyelid, so ignore that. That's another reason why I was trying to avoid coming in front of the camera, but I just miss you guys way too much. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and interact with me. I'm going to have all of my socials down below, and I'm going to also have some links for Webull if you are interested in starting playing the stock market, because that's something that I have started. If you guys have seen my Safe Moon video, that's kind of like where I started that journey. And I have been all over Webull, I have been all over Robinhood, and I have put a lot of money into investing. So I've learned a lot this past several months that I've been away from the screen. And while like I have some time between school and military service to do some trading, and I have a lot of opinions about certain things. And I'm in a Discord group, and I joined the Discord group with the channel Wall Street Bets. The channel is pretty good, and I've made a lot of money being a part of that channel. So if you are interested in starting a journey of building wealth, I think that that channel could be a very good asset. And I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a nursing student, military member, first generation immigrant from Brazil to the US who makes YouTube videos and play the stocks. But I have benefited a lot from some of the advice that I've been getting over there. And if you have any questions, I'm going to also link down below one of the videos from Wall Street Bets. And if I find out how to link their Discord, I will also link the Discord down below because I love them. They're great people. And I definitely approve a lot of their suggestions for investments. Now, moving on from that, let's talk about the reason why you are here. It's crypto, right? You're being investing in crypto. As I said, I started my journey when Bitcoin came, and as I mentioned on my Safe Moon video, I missed the train. I just kind of tried to chase it, but it was close but no cigar. When the Safe Moon and the Dogecoin train came about, I tried to hop on both of them, and again, I got in just a little too late. But I held on to my positions, and I decided that there are so many questions that I've seen on this Discord group that I just mentioned from like very beginner investors that I could answer. And I by no means have been doing this for a long time, but I kind of developed a strategy that I think may work for most people. And I'm probably going to make a video about it eventually because this video is not about that. So let me know down below in the comments if you want me to make a video about my current strategy on investments that actually I've been getting a lot of profits out of. Okay, but I digress. Let's go to Shiba Inu. Let's talk about Shiba Inu. If you haven't heard about Shiba Inu, you are probably living under a rock, right? Aren't you? Because I was. I heard about Shiba Inu, I don't know, maybe a month ago. And I was just like, same thing that I thought about Dogecoin. This is just not going to go anywhere. I bought like a couple of them and I was like, whatever, because they're so cheap. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, they just skyrocketed, right? So the people that put like about $1,000 on this thing back in the summer, right now, are crypto millionaires. And we've seen that before with Bitcoin. We saw that recently with Dogecoin. And now again, we're seeing it with Shiba Inu. Sadly, I was not in that wave that just passed, but there is still time. And that's my belief. Again, I am not a financial investor. Oh, investor. Why did I say investor? I am a financial investor. I am not a financial advisor. So, besides what I say here, do your research, make sure that you know what you're doing, and always, absolutely always, make sure that the money that you're putting in, it's a kind of amount of money that you are willing to lose, especially for crypto, because crypto, it can just go away and disappear in the blink of an eye. It's not like a blue chip stock. And I learned that recently. Blue chip stocks are big stocks like Tesla, Coca Cola, and Ford, and companies like that. Those are blue chip stocks. And generally, stocks are much harder to go to zero. So those are a lot safer in that sense. But if you are trying to invest on crypto, make sure that you're not putting your life savings in it, because if it goes to zero, or if it goes to 0.0000 something, you're going to lose a lot of money. So I can make a video on my strategy, and that can help you out on that. If you want, let me know down below. I already said that. So let's talk about Shiba Inu. The whole thing with Shiba Inu is that everybody wants Shiba Inu to go to Robinhood. Shiba Inu, just kind of like most cryptocurrencies, started somewhere on their own little website or on a pancake swap of life. I wasn't that invested on it when it was in that stage, which I heard a lot of people make a lot of the money on that early stage, where you go to another website or a pancake swap of life or a Binance, which I can't use Binance because I'm in New York. And if you are in New York, you also have that issue, as well as with Webull. If you're using Webull in New York, you cannot trade cryptocurrency. So New York has a lot of different policies when it comes down to crypto. And that's why, because I'm kind of like in between New York and Florida right now. I'm using my Florida address because when I'm in school, I'm in New York. And then when I'm on vacation or when I have any kind of break from school, I go back home in Florida. So I'm using my Florida address right now. And that's why I'm able to use my Webull account. And if you do have a address where you stay more than in New York, if you stay more of the time out of New York and that other state allows you to trade crypto, I would tell you to use your home address where you spend the most time at when it's not New York. Keep that in mind. But I grabbed Shiba Inu wave around the time of that spike of the 0.00008. And I FOMO in it, which is fear of missing out. So I bought it while it was climbing up. So I got it at 0.000076, right? And I have been trying to buy more when it dips, because when you do that, it will lower your average cost. So the more you buy when it's dipping, the more your average cost goes down. And then when it goes up on the stock or the crypto spikes, you can make money out of, rather than what a lot of people make a mistake on, is to buy and leave it there and just hope that it will climb high enough to surpass your initial purchase. So if you are FOMOing into these cryptocurrencies and buying them while they're escalating up, and then you just watch them going down, chances are, if you don't average down, you are not going to make your money back. Just keep that in mind when you are starting to buy into crypto. And also keep an eye on that specific cryptocurrency. Webull has a very, very good like alert system. You can put like, I think, 5 alerts, so you can pick 5 different price points for you to have your phone ding on you and let you know when that particular stock or crypto is at the price point that you want to get in or to sell, or to just know what is the trajectory. You have like about 5 or 6 alerts that you can place in each stock. So utilize the alerts on your platform or your trading app that you are using right now. I forgot what the name that they use right now. As usual, I don't script these videos, so a lot of rumbling. Sorry about that. but let's keep going. So you are wondering why cryptocurrency Shiba Inu is going to Mars, as they say. Well, the reason why is that everybody is asking it to go and be listed in Robinhood. There is even a change.org petition that has over 500,000 signatures. And if you have not signed that yet, I'm also going to put it down below in the description box. And by the time you're watching this, if you're watching right away after I post it, if you don't see it, just come back later. It's going to be there. Once I post this video, I'm going to put all of these links down below so you can check it out and make sure that you sign it because today, Halloween of 2021, they had a huge billboard of Shiba Inu in Times Square. I thought it was a lie, but no, it's just Google it. They did. They put it in there. And why? Because the people who are helping Shiba Inu to, be developed, it's Ethereum creators. The Ethereum chain is part of Shiba Inu. I don't know the extent of their involvement with the Shiba Inu coin itself because it seems like it's a type of coin that's very community based. There is no owner to it. That's my understanding of it. But it seems like because it is on the Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum has a lot to do with some of the success that Shiba Inu has had so far, as well as Shiba Inu does have a lot of projects in the background, things like NTFs and games that you can use your coins to play. And that is going to help with the burning system, which is their deflationary system. Their deflationary system is basically like every time you use the coin to certain things, they will be burned and destroyed forever, either going to a black hole wallet which has nobody can access it, or they're going to be destroyed some other way that I'm not sure. But this deflationary system makes Shiba Inu very promising because what it means is there's always going to be a short supply of the coin, which is going to keep the coin valuable. The more coins you have out on the market, just like look, for instance, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is great. I have Dogecoin. I have made money on Dogecoin, and I can make a video about it for you guys how I managed, even though I was losing money on Dogecoin for many many months, but I end up making money on it. But Dogecoin is a coin that has no ending, so the potential of inflation is real, right? And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not like a person who has a financial degree. This is all based on the research that I've been doing. And a lot of information out there could be not true. I do like Dogecoin. I am a Doge Army person. I love it. And I will keep putting money on Dogecoin. But I also believe in Shiba Inu. I think that Shiba Inu has a huge potential to be, I don't know, a counterpart to Bitcoin. I believe that in the next 2 years, Shiba Inu is going to be the Bitcoin to Dogecoin, that's going to be the Ethereum. So I think that's what's going to be the correlation of them. It's going to be Shiba to Doge, what Bitcoin is to Ethereum, and I'm very excited about it. One thing that I have done, okay, see, no editing. Those things I do all the time when I can't talk. Hi, English is my second language. Don't forget about that. That's why I do this. That's why I do this craziness. But, whew, all right, I need to breathe. But what I mean is, I lost my train of thought because I couldn't speak, right? So let me try to remember what I was saying. I don't know if you heard this, but the neighbor just, I don't know, something fell. But my whole point with the situation is this. I have noticed that we are dipping. When I bought it, it was 76 cents. And right now we are at, I'm going to look it up to make sure that I'm not saying it wrong. But right now we are at, so it's 6:41 in New York right now. And not Doge, Shiba Inu is at 67 cents. and climbing up, basically. Ooh, there you go. I have to do like the makeup guru thing. See, it's going up. It's going up rapidly. But one thing that I want to tell you guys, if you are a new investor and cryptocurrency is something that you new at, and Shiba Inu is your first coin, or you are that one person who was me one day, who was like, you know what? I don't understand. Every single time I buy something that has super amazing hype, it's almost like I jinx it. I buy it, and then it starts dipping. If you are that person, I'm gonna tell you how to how to stop that vicious cycle. It's patience and lack of emotion. All right. I heard something from this channel that I watch a lot, and I have been watching it very, very diligently. Is this a word? I think it is. We'll, we'll pretend it is. I watch it religiously every day, which is called Meet Kevin. So this person, he's a swing trader and he is pretty good at predicting things. When I started watching him was right around the time that Tesla had the whole thing with the car accident, and the Tesla stocks went down all the way to $500. And he said, "You know what? I think that Tesla's going to go over $900 before the end of the year." And look at Tesla right now. They are at $1,100, sometimes $1,200, and it's not even December yet. And same thing with Shiba Inu. Right after that 0.000080 um, skyrocketing that Shiba Inu did, I watched him and he posted a video saying like, we are going to go back, we are going to try to like, go to lower levels, and we are going to maybe remain around the area of 58 cents or zeros. I'm going to stop saying all these zeros. You know what I'm saying, right? 0.4 zeros, trailing zeros, and then you have 58 cents. So that's why he said, he was like, we are going to probably go back to about 58 to 65, and we're going to remain down there, and we're going to just keep trying to cross that next threshold. And that's exactly what happened 2 days later. We kind of try to stay at the resistance and we didn't make it. We just kept climbing down, and then we finally made it back all the way to 58, around 58.65, and that's where we've been today, Halloween of 2021. But if you are one of those people that watch this go down as soon as you purchased at its highest high, I'm going to tell you something. Don't sell, because when you sell, you're losing money. That's how you lose money on everything: stocks, ETFs, I don't know, futures, and whatever. Any kind of stock market might think just like it's scary, but any kind of stock market play that you do, may it be cryptocurrency, whatever, stocks itself, or options or whatever. Options, not really. I'm not going to touch on that, but let's just say stocks, cryptocurrency, futures, or whatever, ETFs, and things like that. The moment you see it going down, that's not the moment you lose money. The moment you lose money is the moment that you press the button to sell. That's when you lose money. Because as soon as you do that, there is no going back. And one very, very sure thing about stocks and crypto right now is that there is no certainty. You may have bought it at 0. All those zeros, 80, and now it's at 50, 60. But tomorrow, when Robinhood, or if Robinhood puts it in their platform, it may reach all-time highs. And then you are going to beat your tush. And that is from personal experience with a friend who sold all of his Dogecoin about a week before Dogecoin went to that 70-cent all-time high. I need to scratch my nose because it's bothering me. So I'll be right back. Let me press this thing. I will be right back. All right, but why is Robinhood waiting? Robinhood has been um, highly criticized this week because Shiba went to the moon 3 days ago. And at the same time, shortly before that, Robinhood has done their quarterly profits or their quarterly. Why do I not remember the names? But like every quarter, the companies have to give out to the public who invest their gains or losses and things like that. I'm gonna remember the name. I'm not gonna remember the name. I'm gonna look it up. Let me see. It's called earnings. There you go. Their quarterly earnings. Their quarterly earnings this quarter was crap. Robinhood was really bad this quarter, and mostly because a huge chunk of the money that Robinhood makes is from crypto. And they weren't doing that hot. I don't know what they're thinking. Well, that's what a lot of people are saying. They don't know what Robinhood is thinking, that they are not actually rushing to put Shiba Inu into their ICO or listings in Robinhood, because that is going to open the window for a whole lot of people, especially because if you try to buy it on Coinbase only does um, like a trusted wallet. So you gotta buy Shiba Inu through their wallets, not quite through them. You just don't press it like go and buy it with them directly. You open some sort of wallet. I didn't even try to mess with that. When I saw that, I was like, nope. Especially because I really dislike Coinbase. I do not think that in an era where you have Weibo and you have Robinhood, and I'm sure there are more apps out there where you can just trade nonstop with zero gas fees. Coinbase is still charging gas fees. Every time you do any transaction with your crypto in Coinbase, you have to pay like $2.99 or something crazy like that. That is the reason why I haven't bought Cardano for the longest time. Up until recently, when I got my Weibo and I started buying Cardano, because I'm not about paying gas fees. Like, I just not. And I don't care if they are making money or not out of my gas fees, because there are other ways to make money. Red Bull. I was gonna say Red Bull. No, no, not Red Bull. Robinhood. Robinhood found a way to make money without the gas fees. So Coinbase can figure it out too. I'm not going to give them $2.99 when I could be buying crypto or stocks with those same $2.99. So I just do not put any more money on Coinbase as of now. And I only have whatever I have there, which is like, I don't know, Cardano, some I don't know if I have Polkadot, but I have like a couple of coins there that I'm gonna leave there, and I'm not gonna touch them because I do not want, because to put money in there free, but to do any transactions you pay gas fees, and to take the money out to sell your coin back into cash you pay gas fees, and then to transfer into your bank account you pay gas fees. I've been through that with SafeMoon, and I'm not going to do that with Coinbase. That's definitely not what I'm gonna do. So it's just gonna sit there and I'm gonna forget about it until it's like billions and billions of dollars. Unless it gets there, I'm not doing that. But let's move on back to why is Robinhood not listing? So I try to look for reasons why Robinhood is not listing yet. The only reason that allegedly Robinhood has said about the situation is that Robinhood is waiting for more governmental stipulations and regulations on cryptocurrency before they go ahead and put another crypto into their platform. But I don't know if that's completely true, because nowadays, as I said, it's kind of difficult to know what is true and what is not unless it comes from the mouth of the horse. So, because it was coming from some website that it might be a website that you can believe in. I'm not gonna name them, but it was a website that I can say that they probably do their due diligence to make sure that their information is correct. I don't want to say that that's completely like set on stone, the only reason. And I'm pretty sure there are more reasons, because I've seen a lot of you guys, and especially a lot of big YouTubers, saying, don't they realize they're losing money, especially when they just lost so much money the past quarter? Obviously, they lost money because everybody's going to Shiba Inu. Why are they being so dumb? Guys, trust me, Trust me when I say that. I'm pretty sure everyone in Robinhood, whoever works there, is pretty aware of the fact that they're missing out on Shiba Inu right now. They are. But I don't know. I have been going through a lot of hypotheses where I think that maybe it makes sense, but we will only know when it comes out from the mouth of the horse. Some of the reasons why I think they haven't listed they haven't listed Shiba Inu or worked on their crypto wallet yet. The crypto wallets, let's go to the crypto wallet first. I don't think that they have put the crypto wallets in there because there might be people like myself who cannot wait to get that wallet to get their cryptocurrency out of Robinhood. I think that my time on Robinhood is kind of over at this point because of their analytics. Their analytics for me right now, they're too simple. I think that Webull is a type of analytics that I can read and I can benefit from because now I am not as a beginner as I used to be. So for me right now to be going between Webull and Robinhood, it's really annoying. I have to go to Webull to kind of like predict what's going to happen with some stock or some crypto, and then go back to to Robinhood to actually do my dealings. And this is because I'm very frugal. I'm not about to pay $75 to transfer all of my stuff into Webull. And I do have a plan for Red. Why am I going to call it Red Bull again? Not Red Bull. Robinhood. And I do have a plan for Robinhood. My plan for Robinhood is going to be all of my long term stocks. So I am very bullish long term with Coca Cola, with Ford, with Lucid. Lucid is going to be a big competitor for the luxury electric car vehicles, and they are going up right now. So all of my long term stocks that I intend to hold for over a year, I am going to leave them in Robinhood. And I also think that for now, because I'm a very new investor, Robinhood is perfect for me to start learning about options trading, puts and options and things like that. Robinhood is perfect for me right now for that. So those are going to be the two main things I'm going to be doing on Robinhood. But everything else, as far as stock market, cryptocurrency, I think I'm ready to migrate all the way to Webull. And that's what I'm going to be doing. And trust me, this is not sponsored by anybody because I don't have nearly enough subscribers to be sponsored. I just really like these platforms. And even if it was sponsored, I would never sponsor. I would never be here sitting and talking highly about any product that I didn't believe in. If I didn't believe that Webull was a good platform for I to do my tradings, I would definitely not use it. As I just said, I do not like Coinbase. Coinbase is something that I do not want to use it anymore. And the only reason why I have stuff there is because ADA or Cardano wasn't sold anywhere else. And that's one of the main things where the early investors in crypto makes the most money. When you go into very inconvenient or very expensive gas fee kind of uh, platform to buy early. And that's kind of like what Cardano was for me on Coinbase. I bought it there at 185, which was already late in the game. But right now that is at two something, I do have room for profit because I got it in Coinbase, if that makes sense. But not really. I just hate Coinbase. I do. I personally hate Coinbase. But if you like it, we're still friends. I still like you. I don't care. You do you, boo boo. I'm just telling you my opinion. Um, but moving on. So here are my reasons why I think my hypothesis why I think it hasn't gone to Robinhood yet. The first reason is Robinhood has Dogecoin. And I think that for them to have two coins that are kind of like rivals and not quite so friendly to each other yet because of the coins armies, like the Shiba army and the Dogecoin army, it's kind of like a little bit of a friendly sort of frenemy situation. I think that they were waiting for that kind of to settle down a little and become kind of like coexistent, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which were in the beginning huge competitors to each other, but now they have their own identity and they can coexist and be as competitive to each other, but at the same time have their differences. And I think that that's one of the things that I think it might be in their mind, which if that is, it doesn't make sense to me because I invest in both. And I'm pretty sure that if you invest in crypto, you're probably in more than one cryptocurrency than just Bitcoin or Ethereum or Shiba or whatever. You probably have in a lot of them. So if that's one of the frame of minds of Robinhood, I would think that that's not a good one. Now, another thing that I thought, yeah, they could be waiting for a little more kind of governmental, control or regulation of crypto because this is a pretty new concept. We don't really know as of now where crypto is going or what is going to be the utility overall of each and every one of them. However, I think that there's enough information out there right now to show that crypto is making its way to be mainstream, a mainstream form of currency, right? Like you have AMC that's starting to adopt cryptocurrency as a form of payment. You have Tesla that they're going to start taking crypto as a form of payment. You have several credit cards right now. Visa, I think, and MasterCard is on the talks of starting to do some crypto. So I think that there is a lot of potential on that side for them to be thinking, well, we don't want to have like, we don't know where this is going. And obviously, there's always that thing, Shiba is a very new coin. So let's not put it here because it might be a meme coin that's um, a scam or maybe a pump and dump, but definitely not a pump and dump. Like it's just not. If you know what a pump and dump is, definitely if you look at Shiba Inu and how things are going with it, it's definitely not a pump and dump. Obviously, yes, most cryptocurrencies, if not all of the cryptocurrencies, they are born and they survive out of us because it's decentralized. There is no company behind it. Our power is the power that they have. So the more people that believe in that kind of project, that's what's going to make that project successful. You see, Dogecoin was a coin that everybody was just like, "Oh, that's a meme coin. It's a joke or whatever." And look at us right now. Like it's been what almost a year. It's going to be a year in several months. Yeah, it's like next year is gonna. Yeah, it's almost a year. It's almost yeah. I don't know, but it's going to be a while that Dogecoin's been around. But Dogecoin is now taken seriously. And it's the same thing with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu started as a joke. Everybody's, just taking it like very lightly. But if we keep believing in it, it's just going to get as serious as Dogecoin is taken right now. So for that reason, do not sell when you see people selling and when you see going down that way. What I would tell you to do is buy more if you can. If you can't, do what I do. Just set a price where you are willing to lose a couple of dollars and then sell it then. And then as soon as it drops down, use that same amount of money that you made from that little sell to buy more. And then you're going to just lower an average and then you're going to have more coins for you to have. Because trust me, I am so excited because as soon as it gets to, I'm not going to say Red Bull again, as soon as it gets to Robinhood, this thing is going to be crazy. It's just going to be insane. And then I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I can't tell you that once it goes to Robinhood, which I think that might be one of their concerns, they probably know that if this goes to Robinhood, it will skyrocket. You will go to the moon, you will go to Mars, you will go to like, you will blow out of the Milky Way. But what's going to happen after? It's most definitely going to go and it's going to scale down. Everybody who bought it very early going to become millionaires. They're going to take their money out of it and then it's going to just go and dip back down and then it's probably going to start, correcting and then eventually is going to reach its regular pricing just like Dogecoin did. So that's kind of like what's probably going to happen. And don't be afraid of holding your coin because right now these coins are pretty cheap. You would never get like a stock on Tesla for $1,000 and have 17 million stocks. So this is where you make money. You make money when you believe in something and you hold your belief and you don't get afraid of believing in it. Do not go with the herd, because I am not trying to tell you this because, oh yeah, I want it to go up so I can sell it. Because I'm telling you right now, as soon as it goes to Robinhood, I am probably going to sell most of it. I am definitely going to sell most of it, but I will put money back in if I see that it keeps its potential eventually. But I will always, always take my profits. I'm not telling you to hold it so I can make money. I'm telling you to hold it so we all can make money, because you are going to make money too. The only time you lose money is when you sell it. That's a sure thing. That's the only certainty you have in the stock market, is when you sell your stock for a loss, for sure you lost money. If you don't sell it and you just hold it, no matter what you do, unless the crypto goes to zero and disappears and kablam somewhere out of space, you're never going to go and lose money, because at some point you will get popular again. You will get like hyped up again. And especially if you take some time to look around and see how there are so many projects kind of around functionality of Shiba Inu. In my opinion, my personal opinion of human being, I think that there's a lot of potential for this coin to be as popular and as serious and as functional as Dogecoin has become. It has a lot of potential to be taken as serious as Dogecoin has been taken by most of us. And don't be afraid to think like, well, I'll get nervous. Yes, we all do. I get nervous every time I see it going down like that, and I see like I'm down $200. I get nervous. But you got to remember, whenever you go to bed, people all the way on the other side of the world are waking up and they're buying too. This coin is right now very hot, very popular, so it's beneficial for you to just keep it and see where it goes. If you saw my Safe Moon video, I have Safe Moon still. I actually wanted to update you guys on that. Here we go. So I still have that Safe Moon from that video, and here it is. I don't remember how much I had of Safe Moon when I made the video. I am going to guess, but if you want to go ahead and watch it, I'm going to list down below. Um, I think I invested initially $200. After all of the gas fees, I paid about $66 in gas fees for between going to KuCoin and going to blah 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 blah. I went through many many steps to get this Safe Moon, and by the time it actually arrived in the wallet, it was around $120. I have been down on Safe Moon all the way down to $40, and right now it's been what, maybe 6 months. I am at $138 on Safe Moon. I don't know if you can see. Oh, I hate my ring light. I'm sorry. There you go. Wait. Oh, there you go. So I'm at $138 on my Safe Moon right now. And a big part of that, it's going to be a little embarrassing, but a big part of that is that I don't know how to sell it. And so I was like, I'm just going to leave it there and see where it goes. And funny enough, ever since Shiba Inu has become popular, Safe Moon has been going up. And so, at some point I had $200 in it that went all the way down to 40. And now I'm actually slowly but surely getting my money back. So this is like a living proof that unfortunately we might not get the money as fast as we want to get it, but if we just leave it there, certain things will pan out the way that we need them to pan out. So that's the first thing I would say. Another thing that I heard from speculation on why not Red Bull but Robinhood has not listed uh, the Shiba Inu yet is because, probably because of the scarcity of the coin, what's going to happen is they probably not going to have that much supply. And you know how people get very angry at Robinhood when we are trying to buy something and Robinhood halts everybody. Um, According to the channel Meet Kevin, so I'm going to kind of paraphrase what he said because I'm not sure if that's correct and 100% real. But according to him, the fact that when you are trading and all of a sudden the trade halts, it means that they don't have enough shares at that moment to supply to all of the orders. And that's kind of why we have halts on trading. I am not completely sure if that's what it is, but that's what I heard from the biggest YouTubers I've watched. To name one, meet Kevin. So if that's what it is, it makes sense. Oh, hello. Hi. Yikes Factory. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. But yeah, so I've been researching so much on this stuff and trying to learn as much as I can so I can give you guys like some sort of idea from a perspective of a person that like I know nothing. I'm literally right now learning how to read candles. I am doing great, yeah, X Factory. Thank you for asking. But yeah, so well, if you're watching me on YouTube, I am responding to some comments on Twitch because, as I said, I am not going to edit this video. I just came to Twitch and I filmed this and then I'm extracted and then I posted here on YouTube because right after hanging up here and turning off this stream on Twitch and posting it on YouTube, I'm gonna go right back to studying because Wednesday I have a test and I have no time to edit this video and I really wanted to talk to you guys about this. But anyways, going back to Robinhood, I'm getting warm from talking and the lighting, so I'm gonna take this off. Oh shoot, girl. All right. Okay. So, oh, I see that there's a little piece of your comments down here. Ah, that's so cool. I didn't know. All right. So, all right. I'm gonna stop saying all right. Okay. But yeah, that might be something that Robinhood might be wondering if there is such a scarce amount of coins. Once it goes to their platform, it might be a little bit of an issue for them to be able to supply the demand that's going to be because I am assuming that the amount of people that's going to want to get in there is going to be insane. Like it's going to be a lot of people. I am foreseeing that this thing is going to go so high because so many people are going to want this coin. So I think that that's something that they might be keeping in mind. Another situation that I was thinking, oh, and also please keep in mind if you go and do Weibo, I'm going to put down description below Weibo, I'm going to put Robinhood, I'm going to put all the links there. Use those because you're going to get like free stocks, you're going to get bonuses and things like that. I'll put down there what are you going to get by using my codes. It's not an affiliate code, it's a friend code. So you will get a stock and I might get a stock. I don't even know what I get, but it's just so you can use my code and then like somebody use my code because I don't really give my code around, but it's gonna be in there if you want it, and it will be faster for you to just click down there instead of like just doing like all of this crazy stuff. But anyways, moving on. Another thing that I was thinking about is the fact that they know Robinhood, and I think that that's, in my opinion, I think that that's the real reason why they haven't done yet. Because if you have seen all of the tweets that have been going around from CoinMumu, and CoinMumu has claimed that tomorrow, November 1st, Robinhood is going to be listed. Robinhood is going to be listing Shiba Inu on their platform. However, Robinhood themselves haven't said anything. And I just found out right before coming into this live that CoinMumu is kind of like what Wikipedia used to be. Anybody can just go there and write whatever they want, and you will look like it's official because it's a platform where people trade. So again, unless it comes out of the mouth of the horse, I would take it with a huge grain of salt, if not like a huge rock of salt. Don't just go on putting your life savings on it because it's not Robinhood saying it. It's CoinMumu, or not even CoinMumu. It might just be a person, a random individual that put it in there. And then you're just thinking it's this platform claiming this. So I would believe that eventually they will do it. And here is why. The reason why I think that Robinhood will put Shiba Inu is it because I don't think that Shiba Inu is going to go anywhere. I think that Shiba Inu has a lot of potential and it might actually surpass, which it already has surpassed Dogecoin on market cap. Is it market cap? Yeah, I think it's the market cap. The market cap. Oh, where am I from? Oh, thank you. Sorry, Yikes Factory. I am from New York. I'm living in New York right now. But yes. So market cap. I'm so sorry if I don't answer you on the chat. Is because I am trying to like keep my thoughts in place. But I really appreciate that you're here, and maybe I'll catch up sometime whenever I can. I apologize about it. I didn't even know it was gonna show here on the screen. I have no idea why is it showing on the screen anyways, but I really appreciate that you are here. Thank you so much. But anyway, so moving on, that's the damn, I lost my train of thought again. That's why I like editing my videos. You see, if you watch my videos without editing, it's just this crazy rambling without no rhyme or reason because I do not script my videos. It's just this crazy me sitting here for an hour or two and just like blah, 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 blah. And then eventually I just do something else about my life. But anyways, so the biggest reason is, in my opinion, that they know that the moment they list this coin in their platform, it's going to boom, it's going to be crazy, and this is hyping it up a lot of people, and they know it. And what is the best way to get your name out there? For free, when other people talk about you. And that's what we've been doing for the past 3 or 4 days, maybe even longer. So I am pretty sure, in my opinion, I am pretty sure that Robinhood haven't listed yet or said anything yet because this is pretty good press for them. They bombed out on their earnings this quarter. They know that everybody is like crazy for them to have this coin listed in their platform. And they are like, you know what? We know that everybody's going to come and do it because there is a petition asking us to do it. So, since there is a petition, we know that there is interest. So, we know that the moment that this is here, people are going to buy it. So why are we going to do it right now immediately if we can just wait and have more and more and more and more and more people talking about it? Everybody's making videos about it. Look at me, I am making a video about it. There is news, mainstream news talking about it. It's everywhere. So this is free press for them. And to have a bad quarter and have so many people talking about them how they are right now, it's amazing for them. This is a great PR tactic, in my opinion, because as soon as they post it, as soon as they list Shiba Inu, the people are gonna come. The money's coming. But why are they gonna do it immediately if they can just wait, get the press, and then get the money? It's just genius. That's, in my opinion, the reason why they haven't listed yet. Obviously, you can have other reasons, like, there is the tech side of things, the coding, how does it work? I don't know if they have to buy the coins in advance to then sell them. I don't know how the background, like the behind the scenes work, but that could also be a factor. But I think that even if those things, technical things, are a factor, I don't think that those are the reasons why it's taking this long. I think that those kind of technical factors could be expedited if they thought that there was any kind of relevant reason to hurry up, because money, we all gonna go and do money things as fast as we can. So I don't think that that's the reason why they're taking so long. I'm trying to figure out how to take like the message from the screen so you guys don't have to look at it, because I don't know, things have changed. Things have changed on um these platforms. I've been away for so long. I'm sorry. But anyways, if you are one of those people that get nervous and you feel like things are going down, like if you bought it at 70 cents or 0 point blah 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 70 cents and you see it go down to 60, 50, one thing that I do to keep me calm and quiet and collected is this. So I'm going to show it to you here because, oh, why don't I open this here? Let me try to open it on my screen so then you can see it better, because why am I showing my phone? I'm crazy. So I'm going to open my Webull account and I'm going to show you what I do to kind of have an idea if it's worth it to keep holding it. So Webull, I'm going to open my Webull. And one thing that I don't like about Webull, and I'm going to tell you right now, Webull has this thing that when you put money from your bank account on it, it will take a whole business day, if it's a weekend, to go into your buying power for regular stocks, and it will take 2 business days for crypto. And if it's the weekend or holidays, no, actually no, on weekends it would take nothing. They will not give you any money unless the bank is open. When the bank is open, they will give you the money. They will give you some buying power for you to use until the whole thing is complete. But they don't give you the full buying power. They give you a part of your buying power, and then you can purchase your stuff. But until the whole business day goes, you don't get your full buying you don't get your full buying power. Now, if it's a weekend, you're not going to get any money until the next business day. And for crypto, it's 2 business days. So that's a very annoying thing. And that's a huge, huge leg up that Robinhood has on Webull, in my opinion. Webull is great for after hours trading, that's for sure. Um, After hours, if you trade after hours, Webull is great. But the whole money thing, it's really annoying, because if you want to buy crypto especially, it's just counterproductive to have to wait 2 days. They don't give you like a part of your money like they would for the stocks, right? So if I put $100 on Webull tomorrow, Monday, um it will give me about, like, let's say $50, right? And then the next day it gives me the next $50. But they have, I'm going to show you. Let me open my trade screen so you can see. Oh, let me put a nighttime. Okay. All right. Let me share with you. Okay. Bear with me because it's been a while. I haven't. Where did I go? See, I don't even know what I'm doing. Gaming. No, that's not it. Woo, I don't know how to show this. And there's more messages. Oh, this is becoming a mess. This is escalating really quickly. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. I am trying to find. I didn't I. Mm. I don't know. I don't know how to share the screen with you. Let me try to see if I can edit this. Chatterbox. I don't want a chatterbox. So there you go. Oh, that part I did. Oh, screen share. There you go. Let's do this. Can I screen share? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Yeah? Let's see. Let me put me tiny? No. Oh, look at me playing with my thing, and for like with you. Ah, there you go. Ah, that's it. Okay. So let's see if I know what I'm doing. Do I know what I'm doing? Ah, yeah. Okay. All right. So now that you guys experienced my crazy mess, let's do this. All right. So hopefully you guys are seeing this, right? Okay. So this is my account. It's different on the phone, But here, let's see. Let's see, what's my wallet? No. Oh, I have to open my wallet first. Okay. So let me first open my wallet. Let me close this and let me open my wallet. Oh, shoot. Wow, I'm a mess. You guys. You guys. Paper trade. Okay, unlock my wallet. Ah, no. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, this is it. All right. Let me go back. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'm like feeling like you guys can't see me this whole time. Yeah, you guys couldn't see me, could you? Can you? Yes, you can. Okay. All right. So here we go. So this is my wallet, right? And then you see how it's a day trade here, overnight, right? And then where is it? Um oh, here, crypto trading, I think. Oh, no, this is not it. But all right, so I'm just gonna show you on my, this is taking longer than I expected. I'm just going to show you, I'm just gonna show you my thing. Okay, I'm just gonna show you on my phone because that's how I use it all the time. I'm like just such a terrible person on the regular. Okay, so here, all right. So can you see it? All right. So you see how down here is crypto buying power, overnight buying power, cash balance. So I have cash balance, my overnight buying power. They are all higher than my crypto buying power. So if I put like $100 right now in the from the bank to Webull, it's not gonna show up here until Tuesday, but it will show on the overnight. It will show. Oh shoot! It will show on the overnight, and it will show on the cash balance. Those two. Oh man! Like, all right. It will show up here. You see, it shows up here because I put money, but it won't show down here because they don't put it on the crypto until the funds have been settled. Like they don't give you the money beforehand because crypto is so volatile, right? So there is no way you going to get your crypto money in time, because if there's like a dip and you want to really buy, like I really wanted to buy the dip today and I couldn't because they don't do that, but Robinhood does. So Robinhood knows that they have that leg up against Webull. So I'm pretty sure that as soon as they put their listing of Shiba Inu in there, Shiba Inu will go to the moon, will pass the moon, will go and blow out of the Milky Way. So that's what I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about. I am not completely 100% sure what is the real reason. Wow, hold on one second. There's a hair on my nose and it was tickling me. I needed to. There was a hair in my nose. It was tickling me. It was like driving me crazy. But I am not completely 100% sure if that's the reason. But I am pretty sure, in my opinion, that that might be the reason because they know they're going to get the buyers. They know they're going to get the people to come in. So why are they going to rush if they're getting all of this free press? If you are in Shiba Inu, let me know down in the comments what's your average? How much did you buy it for? I bought it at 0.000076, and I have been selling when it goes up and buying when it dips to try to average down. So right now I'm around 0.000075, and hopefully by the time Robinhood officially announces that they are going to list them, I hope to be around the 60s so I can make the maximum amount of money out of this trade as possible. But I don't know. In the end of the day, regardless of going to Robinhood tomorrow or next month or in a year from now, I am 99.8% sure that, and I hope I am right, that Shiba Inu will be at some point listed in Robinhood. So do not be discouraged. If you want to stay in the play, stay. But if you get what's so called paper hands and you decide to sell it for a loss, don't go back in when it starts going up because you're just gonna lose more money. So try to make the decision now, early in the game, right now, that you don't have to lose that much money because it's just so cheap, rather than losing a lot of money by trying to get in again when the thing is going to the moon. All right, I think that that's all I wanted to talk about. And I'm pretty sure they know what's going on. I'm pretty sure they know that they can put that stuff in their platform, and I imagine that they are aware of everything. So all these YouTubers are saying like, I don't get it, why is Robinhood not doing it? Don't they understand? They do understand. They do probably understand it more than we understand what's going on. I think that they know so much more than we do, um, and that's probably why they're taking this long. And I would tell you that I am using this time to take advantage of the fact that they are quiet and making sure that I get my money on the average that I really want it to be by the time they do actually confirm that they are taking Shiba Inu into their platform. Let me know down below again, how much did you buy your coins for? Let me know if you have Shiba Inu, or if you don't have it yet, what price are you waiting it to hit to get in? Um, if you are going to sell it as soon as it starts going up when it gets listed, or are you gonna sell it when it starts going up when they announce it? Like, excuse me. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Ah. All right. Let me know down in the comments all about your opinions on Shiba Inu. And let me know what's your hypothesis. Why do you think that Robinhood is not listing them? Because I am very interested in knowing, like, what is your opinion? Because I have such a different opinion than what I've been hearing out there, that I'm pretty sure that a lot of people might have other different opinions that I haven't thought about, other hypotheses that might make even more sense than just free marketing for them, free ads, and more speculation around their app. They need all of this attention right now. So there might be other reasons. So let me know. This thing doesn't work. I don't even know why I have it here in front of my face the whole time. But yeah, well, I am so happy I got to sit here and talk to you guys a little bit. I am so sorry I couldn't edit this video because I don't have the time. So, yeah, good luck watching all of this. I appreciate if you did. And if you did watch the whole thing and you are here by the end with me, I don't know. You know what? Just go in the comments and type, I don't know, iron butterfly. Like, that's one of my favorite plays for stock options. So just write iron butterfly down there so I know that you watched like up to here. If you haven't subscribed yet, do go ahead and subscribe. Please hit the like button, hit the dislike button, hit anything, any of the two buttons, so it can help this video throughout the algorithm. And also, let me know down below if you want me to post more of these crazy unedited videos. If you want to know more about the stock market, if you really wanted me to do my 911 call reaction and give you guys some tips for like saving measures that could help you and your family if there's an emergency at your house, I don't know, talk to me and follow me on my socials. They are also gonna be down in the description below. I miss you guys so much. I am so sorry I haven't posted that much. I'm gonna try to be a little better. As usual, I'm gonna try, but I can't promise anything. It's going to be a little weird for a little while but I do have full intentions of getting back to my editing ways because I love making entertaining, well edited videos for you guys. I do love it. And I was trying to avoid doing something like this because I feel like this is just so lazy. Um, but I do miss you guys. At this point, it's been so long that I just rather do this lazy little thing to connect with you a little bit than to just not connect with you at all, you know? So, yeah, that's why I'm here. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys could take something from this video besides all of the rumbling because I don't script my videos. And whenever I try, there's a lot of people everywhere and I just get even more lost. So, yeah, hi, no script. Fine. But yeah, let me know how you guys doing. I miss you so much. And talk to me, DM me. I always answer. I love talking to you guys. Um, let me know. All right. Why do I keep saying anyway? Hope you guys have a great Halloween, and I will see you guys on the next video. I guess I'll see you guys the next time that I have some time to just come and say hi. Yeah, yeah. All right, this is awkward. It is very awkward. Oh my God. Okay. Well, thank you so very much. Have a, why am I sending kisses? Kisses. I'll see you guys later. Bye.